I don't own the rights to this music. I own the rights to this message. Mayor Brandon Scott and Shorty. We got a hell of a story. Me and Brandon Scott go back since he first sat in that seat. All right. On Tuesday, August the 29th, he got to return this material to me. All right. And in this material he has, that's the United States Constitution. That's my award while I was in the Illinois Department of Corrections. I'm a constitutional rights lawyer. That's Commissioner Harrison, Commissioner Batts, Commissioner Belfield, Commissioner Harris, Commissioner Ed Norris, D'Souza. I've been policing the police since 2006. Get Shorty. Get Shorty is a program about policing the police in Baltimore, about the war on drugs in 62528. I'm a whistleblower in the courts and the corruption in the courts. That's Baltimore City. So Baltimore City Council got it. Faith Leach had this. Odette Ramos got this. Conway got this. The Public Safety Commission got this. Sharon Middleton got this. All right, y'all got this. That's kidnapping. All right. That's your police department. You use your police department to protect your corruption. That's the criminal RICO Act. All right. That's the RICO Act. We talking about human rights violations and the money you make off of it. That's the RICO Act. This is what I gave you last night at your event. That's Governor Westmore, Kwesi Mfume, Department of Justice, Adrian Jones, Anthony Brown, Brandon Scott, and County Executive Johnny Oleski and Biden. That's my FBI file number, all right? I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country. You feel me? I was incarcerated 2 times for speaking out against injustice in America. Notice of departure. All right, adult supervision. We talking about your prison industry and the money you make off of it. I was making a documentary, and that's the case number right there. Criminal case. Dwayne G. Davis, State of Maryland. Subpoena. Richard Pollard from Pollard Towing. Y'all took my truck, my computer, and 14 years worth of videos and documentaries. All right. September 13th day of September 2011. All right. The entire contents of the defendant's vehicle, a 1999 Chevy Suburban, Maryland registration. All right, registered to Dwayne G. Davis, date of birth 12/26/1959. I'm a 50s baby, remember that. That's a body attachment, and nobody was locked up for that. That's Governor Westmore, 2023. All right, that's Governor Westmore. This is Operation Greylord. Governor O'Malley, Governor Hogan. We talking about the money you making off black bodies. All right? And I gave you the same thing. That's a writ of certiorari. I never got a trial. So I'm waiting to go to court. You feel me? I'm waiting to go to court. A trial. See that? Dwayne G. Davis. And Governor Westmore got this. Larry Hogan got this. Adrian Jones, Bill Ferguson, Stephanie Smith, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Eric Barron, Mayor Brandon Scott, Scott Shellenberger, Ivan Bates, Chief Justice Mary Barbera, Judge Carrion, Judge Cox, Xavier Conway, and Judge Bell. And Bernard Bell from the Secret Service. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist, but I'm going to terrorize you with the truth. I was kidnapped. Slavery didn't end. It was evolved. Yeah. And I put it in the book. Slavery evolved. From enslavement to mass incarceration. They gave you this at the Legacy Museum. I gave you Dred Scott. If you go to Senator Antonio Hayes, he got this book. All right? He got this book. You got to stand for something or you're going to fall for anything. I own Shorties. I own all shares of Shorties, and I'm selling Shorty to the world. I applied for Martin Luther King's job on February the 6th, 2011, and y'all locked me up. That's Baltimore City Delegation, all right, in Annapolis. That's City Hall, and that's Mayor Brandon Scott. I never got paid for this, so this is what you're going to do. That's Allman and Brown, Attorney General Brown, all right? That's a can of whoop ass, and I told you I was going to whoop y'all's ass. That's Jill P. Carter. Release all material to the voters, because I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Y'all got to release all material to the voters. That's Governor O'Malley and parole and probation. That's the Board of Elections, and we talking about voter suppression. That's a writ of certiorari to the Supreme Court. That's the Shorty program. All right, you got that, and I gave you the program. Part of the program was visual and learning and arts and performing. I'm an activist, I'm not a terrorist, and I gave you everything that you need. I own shorties, I own all parts of me. That's the Maryland State Board of Elections. I'm a whistleblower, and Eric Barron got this. That's your Department of Justice, Sarah Marquette. And it goes here, Dear Eric Barron, this letter was emailed 12/21/2021. All right? That's my visitor's pass. I'm a mentor. I'm an activist. I'm a mentor at North County High School. Contact Peter Francott. All right? We talking about voter suppression and $250 million in intellectual property theft. All about Baltimore. All about Baltimore. Shorty, pull your mask up? No, we're going to unmask Baltimore. And we're going to do it next Tuesday. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the shit show. I got a lot of shit to show you.